In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice yell in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, head over to the text-to-speech section on ElevenLabs. Once you're there, go ahead and type out the text you want to be turned into a shout. A little tip here, keep the lines short and direct. This strategy really helps to deliver a more intense message. Remember, when you want to grab attention, brevity is key. Now here's where it gets interesting. We want to add some text and punctuation cues that really heighten the intensity. For example, if you want to emphasize a word like stop, you should capitalize it. That simple change can make a huge difference in how the voice interprets your message. Additionally, don't shy away from using exclamation marks. They're your friends when it comes to signaling excitement or urgency. So, if you want the line to sound even more intense, throw in a few exclamation marks. For instance, instead of saying, "I can't believe it," maybe try, "I can't believe it." See what I mean? And here's a cool trick to really spice things up. Add some stage directions. You can stick in little notes like, or shouting, right before the text. This guidance helps the system capture the emotion you're aiming for. It's all about setting the stage for your auditory performance. Another neat trick involves elongating vowels. For instance, if you want to convey a sense of urgency, stretch the vowels a bit. So instead of just writing no, you could write no with a dash at the end. This tiny tweak makes the voice sound more frantic and heightened. Next, you'll want to adjust some voice settings. After entering your text, look for the voice settings panel. Here's what you should do. Start by slightly lowering the stability of the chosen voice. This change allows for more emotional and expressive variation, which is perfect when delivering a yell. If your system has a style exaggeration feature, crank that up. It's designed to push for higher intensity and really brings out those dramatic traits in the voice. And don't forget about clarity and similarity settings. Make sure to fine-tune those to keep the voice sounding distinct. Now, once you've tweaked everything to your liking, it's time to generate a preview. Click that Generate button and listen to how it sounds. If you find that the shout isn't as powerful as you hoped, don't worry. Just go back and add some extra exclamation marks or reposition your capitalized words to the very beginning of the line. Then, generate again. You might have to play around with it a bit until you achieve that perfect yell, but that's part of the process. So there you have it. Easy steps to making a voice yell using ElevenLabs. With just a few tweaks and adjustments, you can turn a simple text into a powerful shout that commands attention. Remember to have fun with it as you experiment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks.